Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, in this occasion, I'd like to direct you how to improve your speaking skill again using a short story related to the use of simple past tense. We use simple past tense to express an action or an activity which happened in the past. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you should listen to me carefully and repeat sentence by sentence when I tell you a short story. In the end, I will ask you some questions about it. Now, are you ready? Well, now please listen and repeat after me sentence by sentence. Yesterday, we all came to school early. Nobody was late. Miss Rosie was early. She asked us in the classroom. First of all, she asked a question to James. What did you do, James? Did you have a good time during your holidays? She asked. Yes, I did, James said. I played all day and slept all night. Well, do you still remember the story? Now please answer my questions. Question number 1. Did Miss Rosie ask some question about holidays? Did she ask James first? What did James say? Did everybody come to school early? Was everybody early? Now the last question. Did Miss Rosie come early too? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you then.